Trinidad and Tobago is a true melting pot of cultures. Out of this pot, our unique flavors come to life. I'm Renee, and here on Simply Local, we cook some of our favorite local recipes or put a Trini spin on international cuisine. So join me on Simply Local as we celebrate food from a Trinbagonian's perspective. So when I think about fresh basil, I immediately think about pesto. Pesto is a simple yet delicious meal made from simply basil, some garlic, olive oil, and a little bit of seasonings here or there, and especially nuts and Parmesan cheese. Now in today's episode, the traditional way to make pesto use pine nuts, but in today's episode, I'm going to use some peanuts because pine nuts are actually really expensive. As well as, you know, it's not so readily available, especially in this country, right? So I'm just going to show you I could use different types of nuts, as well as I'm going to use some fresh Parmesan here today, and we're going to make some pasta. So let's begin. So it's really simple. 3 steps that we're going to do. We're going to have our pasta, make our pesto, and put all the things together because we're going to add some nice vegetables in it to give it some life and some color. So I have my pot here that's been boiling, right? And I'm going to use the spaghetti from Cuisine. We have a spaghetti from Cuisine, and I'm just adding it to the pot one time. I'm just going to add some salt, right? And I'm going to give it a quick little toss. And to the back of the spaghetti pack, I actually noticed a recipe, a zesty spaghetti platter. So I found that sounded interesting, so I just may try it. I'll take a look. Right, so I'm just gonna toss this, like I said, and we're gonna leave it, we're gonna cover it down. Next, we're gonna start in the pesto. All right, guys, so 5 basic ingredients to pesto, right? So I have basil here, fresh basil, only the fresh. Olive oil, I have some lovely Parmesan here. I have garlic. Garlic does amazing things to this pesto. And I have peanuts. Like I said in the beginning, pine nuts are usually used, but like I said, it's really expensive. So we're going to use some peanuts today, right? And I just have some salt and black pepper to add to the flavor. All right, so let's begin. Guys, pesto is so simple. I'm literally going to put everything into the food processor, and that's it. Alright guys, so step 1 and step 2 have been completed. Third and final phase, I know we reached here so quickly, but it's gonna come together so great. I'm so excited for the pesto already. So to my pan here, I'm gonna add some oil. I have some vegetable oil from our brand Cuisine. Now we added olive oil to the pesto, so you don't need to add too much oil. So I'm just gonna add like 1 tablespoon. So now we're gonna saute our vegetables. These vegetables are just the vegetables I like personally. It's just to bring a little bit of life to the dish that I like. So I'm going to start off with some red onions I have here. I have some sweet peppers as well. So I'm just going to give this a toss. Next, I'm adding some tomatoes. So I'm just going to slice up some tomatoes here. I'm so excited to use the pesto because it smells so good and it looks amazing. You know, this rich green color and just the richness of the Parmesan and that nuttiness from the peanut. I'm really excited. I actually really love pesto. It's one of my favorites to have with pasta. Right, so that's it. We're gonna add this to the pot now. Give this a nice mix. Now I don't want to add any salt or pepper. The Parmesan we added to the pesto has salt in it, as well as we added salt already to the pesto. So I'm not going to add any additional salt, right? So not too long I'm going to saute this. Like I said, it's just to bring some life to the dish. Next, I'm going to add my spaghetti. So I'm adding my spaghetti now. Right? And that's going to give this a toss. Look at this dish already. You know, just the difference of the purple and the greens and the red. It's already looking amazing. Next, I'm gonna add the pesto. Best part of this meal. Look how gorgeous this looks. This thick, rich paste. So I'm gonna add a little by little and I'm gonna mix it in, right? Oh my God, guys. I wish you were smelling what I was smelling through here. Oh, this is so good. And it's that simple, guys. So I'm gonna have a little bit for myself, maybe a lot. And it's so rich, and you can see like all the cheese and, you know, all the nuts. You know, it's holding on to the spaghetti really lovely. All right, so that looks good. Now I'll have some veggies or the colors from the veg, guys. Yummy. All right, and like I said, feel free to use any veg that you like. All right, that looks good. Let's taste. All right, gonna get everything in there. Oh my God. Yes, guys. This is so good. Fresh basil. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm gonna have some with tomato as well. Oh my God. The freshness is just bursting goodness. Oh my God. And that cheese. And if you like to, if you really love cheese, you could just grate a few bits of more cheese on it. But I think it's perfect. It's really rich. Right, guys, quick, simple, delicious, just delicious. It's so fresh and full of goodness. I can't wait for you guys to try this. As always, the full recipes on eatahfoodtt.com, or you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook. And if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get awesome dishes like this all the time. Pesto, like I said, is so versatile. If you don't have basil on hand, use spinach. If you don't have the pine nuts, use peanuts, like I said. Just substitute and go along as you like. So let me know down in the comments if you tried it. I know you're gonna enjoy it, so just let me know. Until next time, guys, bye.